Okay, here's the game. We need to find a stuffed animal monkey,
Monkey.
a stuffed animal
I found a
baby,
monkey.
and a stuffed animal puppy.
I found a monkey.
Okay, where's the monkey?
Here.
Is that a monkey? Okay, put him on the floor.
I gotta help him.
Okay. So now do you have a stuffed animal doggy or a puppy? Do 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 do.
Well, I don't
Do 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 do.
No puppy.
Do 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 do
Chase,
do.
draw a puppy. How about we use you?
Don't you have a big red puppy?
No, it's not in my wood. It's in the living room.
Okay, you can use Chase. He's a puppy. Okay, put him next to the monkey. Put him next to the monkey.
He's a little scared.
Okay, put him next to the monkey.
He's scared still.
And okay, put him right here. The monkey will keep him safe. Okay, now you need a baby. A stuffed animal baby. Can you find a stuffed animal baby?
Well,
Do 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 do.
this is
Do 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 do.
kind of silly, baby.
Hey, isn't that a puppy? There's a stuffed animal puppy.
Oh.
He's white. Okay. Now put the puppy there, and then put the baby there,
Where's the baby?
right there.
This is kind of funny, baby.
Yep. Okay, put it next to the monkey.
Ah, they fall down.
That's okay. And now look what you have. It's a puppy monkey baby. It's a puppy monkey baby.
Baby.
Puppy monkey baby. Puppy monkey baby.
Baby.
Puppy monkey baby.